Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming back, or thank you for visiting for the first time. If it is your first time, I'm Courtney. I'm a full-time reseller on the Poshmark app, and I also sell on eBay, Mercari. There's a dog behind me. So I ordered, hey pup. I ordered a shoe rescue box from Thredup last week. It came in yesterday, so I just wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. I have done a Thredup rescue box unboxing before on here. I think it was actually my first video on YouTube, so it was really fun and I wanted to do another one. I know a lot of people who order these pretty regularly, and usually it's pretty good, so I was interested in grabbing one and I went ahead and ordered. I think it took about a week for it to come in, so it's not exactly like the fastest thing ever, but I wasn't really in a rush for it, so it didn't bother me. So anyways, I'm Courtney. This is Milo's Market. My closet on Poshmark is Milo's Market. On Mercari, I'm Milo's Market. On Instagram, I'm Milo's Market. So I'll put everything below. And yeah, let's get to the unboxing. It's a pretty big box, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it up now. And you're probably gonna see like some random dogs. I mean, they're not really random, but you're gonna see some dogs around here. This guy is just, you know, he's just taking full advantage of his camera time. And here comes another one, because you can't pet one without them all showing up. Right, Milo? And Milo likes to drink coffee, so I'm trying to hide my coffee because he will steal it. Right, Mike? Okay. So here is the box. It's wrapped, oh my gosh. Okay. It's wrapped up pretty nicely. It looks like all the shoes are individually wrapped. And from what I've seen previously, they were not individually wrapped. From other people's videos I've seen, they were kind of just like all thrown in a box. So maybe they changed that. But here it is, rescue box shoes, 7 pair for $38. So it's the order form. And last week, or maybe 2 weeks ago, they had a free shipping code. So I wanted to order it then, but I forgot, and then the shipping code had already expired. But they do have free shipping sometimes and like some other deals on the rescue boxes, even though already it's a pretty good deal. If you get good shoes, I guess it's a good deal. $38 for 7 pair. That's like a little more than $5 per pair, which is a little bit expensive to me, because at my stores, I think like boots are $5 and all other shoes are like $3. But I also do a lot of shopping at the bins, so I hope they're worth the amount that I paid for them. So let's see. Okay. I just grabbed the first pair. It says let's stick together. It's nice that they're all individually wrapped. I'm pretty scared to open these actually, because I don't know. Okay. These aren't bad. They're Banana Republic. Just like some strappy sandals. They're not bad. I'll probably list them on eBay. I mean, I'll list them on Poshmark too. They're in pretty good condition. There's not like a lot of wear around the buckle, which is where you usually see wear. The elastic is in good condition. I don't see any damage on the heels. I ordered the size 9 box because I'm like between an 8.5 and a 9. And can you guys tell me, like, I used to wear maybe like 4 years ago, I guess, I always wore like between a 7.5 to an 8, maybe an 8.5, and like a flat boot if I wanted to wear like big socks with it. But now I am consistently at 8.5 or a 9. There's no hopes of me fitting a 7.5 any. Like, is it because I got fat? Is it because I gained weight? Is it because I got older? Like, somebody told me your arches fall as you get older. I don't know, but it's really aggravating because I had to get like all new shoes this year because none of my shoes fit. Everything was so uncomfortable. So am I the only one? Like, what is that about? Somebody explain to me, please. Okay, so here's the other shoe. They are in really good condition. There's some wear on the soles, but not too bad. They are real leather with a leather sole, leather upping, so that's nice. I mean, they're in really good condition, so I probably would not have picked these up to resell, like at a Salvation Army. I don't know why I said that. I really don't go to Salvation Army. At a thrift store, I probably wouldn't have picked these up. Definitely not for $6 or like $5, but I mean, they're in good condition, so not bad. I'm sure they'll sell. It's sandal season now, or about to be. Okay, next up, another pair of like flat sandals, it looks like. I'm trying not to rip all the tissue paper because I am that annoying person that saves all the tissue paper. Ooh, okay, this is cool. A pair of Coach flip-flops. They have Coach there on the bows. They look practically brand new. Like the sticker is still on them. Sometimes with these like jelly sandals, it'll have like, oh, actually it looks worse in the camera than it looks in person. And I have like all the windows open here, so it's pretty bright. But usually with this jelly stuff, it'll start to get like really matte looking, and these are not like that. These are pretty cute. I might actually keep these for a season. I had a pair of Melissa jelly flats, like jelly sandals, a lot like this, but they were in really bad condition, so I just got rid of them. There's a little bit of wear on the bows. I'm trying to show you. It's kind of hard to catch in the camera, but there's a little bit of wear on the metal bows, but not bad. I would have picked these up to resell. Maybe not for $5, but I would have picked them up. Okay, next. Okay. Again, wrapped individually, wrapped really nicely. I'm really impressed with this wrapping, actually. I thought that they would all just be thrown in here. Okay, next. I definitely would not have picked these up. They're Dana, oh, hold on. This way? Dana Bushman, Bachman, whatever it is. I think this is sold at like Macy's, maybe. I don't know. It's not like anything special brand. I definitely would not have picked these up. But anyways, they're in good condition. There's a little bit of dirt there, but nothing I can't wipe off with like some baby wipes or whatever. They're a cute style, I guess. They've got the cap toe on them. I'm sure I can get like, I don't know, $15 for them. There's really not a lot of wear on them. I do see like a little scrape there on that little strip. I don't think they're real leather. They're this like suede and upper textile, lining textile. Oh, they're from Kohl's. It says Kohl's inside of them. Yeah, I would not have picked these up. But anyways, they're not bad. They're pretty clean. So yeah, I would not wear those, but I'm sure somebody would. They look like a good work shoe, like if you work in an office or something like that, like a pretty comfortable style with the wedge. Okay, let's see what's next. I hope it's something good. Okay, let's see. I don't think it's something good. Okay, they're a pair of 9 West, like thong wedges. I definitely would not buy these. I'm sure someone would though. These look like sandals my mom used to wear. I mean, they're not bad, and I actually do pretty well with 9 West on Poshmark. I mean, I usually pick up like trendier styles because 9 West actually has some pretty trendy styles. And I actually bought my husband's shoes for our wedding at 9 West. No, it was Aldo. Just kidding. Man-made leather upper. Okay, well, it's like a mix of leather and faux leather. They're not bad. They're in good condition. I'll list them on eBay and on Mercari. Yeah, they're in good condition, at least, so I can still sell them, which is nice. I've seen some people who just got shoes that were like trashed and you couldn't even resell them. There's a little bit of wear on the wedges, but I mean, they're a decent style. Maybe if I like lived in Florida, I might wear them or something, but I won't wear these. Actually, this looks like something my sister-in-law might like to wear. She She like lives at the beach, so she might wear those. I'll ask her. Okay. Next, how many pairs? That's 4 pairs. So 2 pair were decent. The Banana Republic and the Coach flip-flops. The Dana Bushman, Bachman, whatever it is, from Kohl's. I would not pick that up. And those 9 West sandals, I wouldn't have picked those up. But I can sell everything, so that's good. Okay. Next. Ooh, these are really cute. Oh, I might keep these ones. Okay, these are Francos Sarto, like smoking loafers, smoking slippers, whatever you want to call them. They're pretty cute. They're this like gunmetal gray kind of color that I really like. They've got, I don't know what this is called, but in my opinion, all good, well-made designer, or like, you know, not low-level like Payless shoes, but decent brands have this to keep the material just like more protected on the back. So just like this strip here of extra material just to kind of protect it, in my opinion. Usually when I'm looking at the thrift store for stuff, if I see like a well-made shoe with something like this on the back, I'll check it out. So I'm not sure if these are new, but they do still have like a partial Nordstrom Rack sticker inside. Let's see what the style, the Inis, I-N-I-S is the style name. They are leather. They're really cute. I might hold on to these if they fit me. So those are really cute. They're Francos Sarto. I don't know if I already said that. Which is actually a brand that I really like. They're usually pretty comfortable and they make a lot of cute styles. But I do well with it on eBay too. So those are cute. I'm happy about those. I probably wouldn't have paid $6 for them, but again, I'm just cheap. So, okay, let's see. 2 more pair. I'm really nervous. I don't like surprises unless they're good surprises. I think everyone probably is like that. Okay, these are weird as heck, and I definitely would not pick these up. These are so weird. Okay, these are Calvin Klein flip-flops, or yeah, I guess like thong sandals. They just look like an aged style to me, like not something that's like popular or trendy right now, but they don't look like they've ever been worn. I think they do have some wear on the insole, but I think it's just from these things pushing down on it because it's like that same shape. But there is absolutely no wear at all in the soles. There is a price marked on it. I think that's how they mark it at like TJ Maxx, Marshall, something like that. So they might have been from there, but I mean, I do see a lot of Calvin Klein like at TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, places like that. So maybe they're from there. These are kind of weird, but I mean, they're in good condition. They have a little tiny stacked heel on them. Okay, they're weird, but I'm sure someone will like them. They're weird to me. That doesn't mean they're weird. Okay. Last pair. I feel like they kind of try to send more like summer, spring styles. I've heard before that they don't do seasonal, but it seems like they do, because if you like send in stuff to sell, it seems like they take more seasonal things. And the last rescue box I got, it was in like November of last year, maybe I want to say, and it was all like hats, scarves. I'm trying to remember what else was in there. I definitely remember a hat and a scarf though. So I think they do kind of do more seasonal things, because they sent me 4 pairs of sandals. Okay, last thing. These look way bigger than a size 9. Oh, I've heard of this brand recently. I don't think it's like anything special brand, but they do make like cute trendy styles. They're some flat shoe booties, like peep toe shoe booties. It's a cute style. They are a size 9. I don't know why they look really big to me. Maybe just the color makes them look really big. Aw, there's like quite a bad dirty spot right there, but I'm sure I can clean that off. they really don't have any wear on them at all. It looks like maybe just like from the stock room or something kind of wear there, but there's absolutely no wear on the heels, no wear on the back, just this one mark, but that could have been like from being stored improperly or something like that. I mean, they're like a trendy style. Oh, sorry, the brand is, I think it's JG. Is that right? Or is this right? Ugh. I think that's the right way for you to see it. I don't know. Is that the right way? Anyways, hope you can see that. It's JG. I know someone who had a really cute pair of shoes from this brand. And I know because I asked her. So, yeah, this is a cute, trendy style. I personally would not wear these, and I would not have picked them up for this price, but they'll sell. I'll list these on Poshmark because they're really trendy, and I'll clean that off probably with just like a baby wipe or something like that. But yeah, okay, so that's the 7 pairs of shoes. I'm not like impressed. I would say I'm not disappointed. I think I can make my money back. Yeah, I'll probably have to sell like all of them to make my money back. It was $38 plus whatever I paid for shipping. Oh, it doesn't have it listed on here. I think shipping was like around $6 maybe. I'll have to double check. So that's like $42, $44, sorry, $44. Yeah, I'll have to sell like 3 or 4 pair to make $44 back, but there's 7 pair. They're all in sellable condition, which is good. I probably would have only picked up 3 pairs of these JG shoes. If they were inexpensive enough, I probably would have picked them up. I would have picked up these Coach flip-flops for a good price, and I definitely would have picked up these Francos Sarto smoking slippers. These are my favorite pair out of everything, because that's the style that I like. I probably would not have picked up these Banana Republic ones. I definitely would not have picked up these Kohl's shoes. I would not have picked up these Calvin Klein things. And I would not have picked these up unless I was like shopping for my mom or my stepmom or somebody who I knew would like these, because this looks like a style like a lot of my family members would wear, like my aunts, my mom, people like that. But I would not pick those up for resale, but they're all in good condition. Some of them look new or maybe new without tags. They're all sellable, so I can definitely make my money back, but yeah, I'll probably have to sell all of them to make my money back. And I don't know if any of those styles or brands are really going to be like fast flips, but I think I can make my money back. From the last Thredup rescue box that I did, I don't remember everything that was in there, but I know all of it has not sold yet. It wasn't like really popular styles or popular brands, I guess. I think like maybe half of it has sold, but it was like $15, so I've definitely made the $15 back from what has sold. But anyways, tell me in the comments what you think. If you want to see more Thredup rescue boxes or like mystery box reviews, openings, I don't know, whatever you call them. Yeah, and tell me if your foot has gotten bigger since you got older, because that's pretty annoying. Like, none of my shoes fit. I had to get all new shoes. But anyways, tell me what you think. I'm happy I ordered it. I mean, it was fun to unbox it. It wasn't like great, but I'll probably order another one because I like to torture myself. So anyways, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you will subscribe. I hope you'll come back. I hope you'll give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you want to. Whatever, it doesn't really matter. Doesn't mean anything. It's the internet. So thanks, guys. I hope you have enough iced coffee for the whole entire weekend. If you don't, send your significant other out to get some, or order it on Instacart, or order like DoorDash or Uber Eats or whatever, because that's great. I'm glad we live in 2019. And bye, guys. Thanks for watching.